So today we're doing a little trip to Çaliş, which is called Çaliş Bridge. We're going to Çaliş Bridge, then we're off to the market on the water taxi. You can get straight to the market, but we're going to get water taxis. So what you do, there's the prices here, and then you just literally press that little button. Press the little button, and that's your taxi. So I think it's here now, so I'll be jumping in this one, this hour. Lovely. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Quick taxi ride, 50 Turkish lira to Çaliş Beach. Thank you, mate. And oh, mate. Well, there we go. So Çaliş Beach we're at now. Then we're over the bridge. Quick bit of breakfast, and then we're going to jump on one of these water taxis. We're going to the bar we found yesterday, and then we're going to jump on a water taxi to Fethiye market. We're back down the bar again now. Full English breakfast, look. Lungy. Margaret's got a Turkish breakfast.
That looks nice.
I've gone for the full English, I'm afraid. But and then we're off to on the taxi, on a boat, down to the market. So we'll eat this, and then we're off. Right, we're getting the water taxi now to Fethiye. Just this is. There's the trips they do here. So just getting the tickets, and then we'll wait for the boat to turn up. And we're off to the Fethiye market. That's the plan anyway. And we're off on the boat trip to the Fethiye market, I think. Here we go. Water taxi from Çaliş down to Fethiye. £2 each apparently. £2 each way. Bit dear if you ask me. Oh, not very scenic this side. Taxi trip done, and we're just coming in now to Fethiye, I think. It's lovely here. That's it, we're now in Fethiye. Boat taxi done, or water taxi done. Looks nice here. Very nice. Oi, we're a bit wobbly. Oh, bloody hell. Got some boats here. Look at this. Right, we're in Fethiye now, all the boat ships, water taxis, job done. Brilliant, look at this. Really nice, sun's out, a bit hazy this morning, so we thought we'd do a little boat trip. What recommended this trip is, recommended. So we're off the water taxi and we're heading, we've turned left. We think we're heading towards the market. I hope so anyway. So it's quite mild this morning, so. Oh, look at that, fresh orange. So a little tip for you, taxi, or water taxi from Çaliş to Fethiye, and then get off the boat at Fethiye, turn left, and you'll see this big square. This big square here, with this here, yeah? And then you've got to head this way, apparently it's Starbucks and McDonald's around the corner, and then the market is just past. Oh, Starbucks here, look on the corner, and then round the corner after that is McDonald's, and then just past that, if you make it past McDonald's, that is without going in for something to eat. Just past McDonald's is the market apparently. It's lovely round here. Some lovely bars here, look. So there's found McDonald's, so walk through to McDonald's here, through the square to McDonald's. If you find McDonald's, you go left. Starbucks. It's a bit of a walk, this market, so over the bridge. It depends where you get off at your boat, I suppose, because there's other boats behind us here. So, down here. And the market, I do believe, is straight ahead. Right, we made it to the market. Here we are. Apparently they sell everything, yeah? Perfume, t-shirts. Wow, look at this. Everything you want is in this market, I reckon. They've got Ralphie, Polo, the lot in this place. I mean, look at the watches here. Bloody hell. Look at this lot. Any watch you want, mate, is here. Look at these. We're still at the market here. It's absolutely, well, you can buy anything you want here. Anything you want.
Yeah, 86. I'll have to change them for 86, won't I? Yeah, I'll get 86. Could you change that, though?
Pop down to Fethiye market. I think it's Sunday and Tuesdays market. Anything you want is here. Absolutely anything you want. Rucksacks, handbags, skirts, sunglasses, t-shirts, shirts. We did look at some watches, but the quality didn't look that brilliant on some of them, to be fair. You got to pick them up, and there's various quality of watches. So, yeah, you got to get down here. Just found the little store that sells little wooden pub signs. Have a look at these little wooden pub signs. Look, wooden plaque, 2 for £10. 2 for £10.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite dear.
No, this one I am doing myself. This top side yacht vanish.
That's good.
Waterproof.
Yeah.
It's not easy this one.
No, they're not. They're nice. They're nice.
Yeah. But this one my first work. My kids I done 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Not professional time.
Oh right.
But still very good. Look.
Oh yeah, they're good. Yeah. They are good. Yeah. I like this. I've got a little in my garden. I've got a little bar in my garden, like a shed.
Yeah.
It's like a pub in my garden.
Yes.
So I wanted some of these
I have
signs.
an English friends living here. He hang them.
You get some of these signs. I ain't got any money, Jill. Don't wander off. Business card.
Well, what do you want then?
Apparently, this guy he can make. You look. Let's have a look. Put this picture.
Nice.
You can put your picture on a sign for you.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
£3 nearly.
Just put a little chain on it for me. Look.
Tenner, and then I'll have to do it all in there.
Tamam. O zaman.
How much all here? Have we got any pounds?
No.
I've got no pounds.
No pounds.
No pounds.
250 lira enough.
250.
Yeah.
Right, 250. And he's putting a little sign on it for me, look,
Yes.
little chain. Little bonus. How much lira, Jill? For free? 250 lira.
Burada.
Lovely. Lovely. One there. Just put a little chain on
I
that one.
send them Ireland, Galway.
Yeah, oh yeah.
One side for my brother, he is cook,
Is
wicked
he?
chef.
Oh, nice.
But writing on, never truth as
There you go, 250.
Ah,
250.
right, they've got to pick a third one, yeah, haven't I?
Yeah.
The one there. What one was that one? That was the. I don't like that one yet.
Doing a third one. What one do you want?
Third one.
Different sort of one. You've got Mohammedan, haven't you?
Yeah, I wonder if I could get.
What sort of one? Just a plain one or? Oh, just a picture?
Sure.
Didn't get any wash.
That's it. Warning. Do not come to this market. You'll spend fortunes. Fortunes and fortunes on stuff you're not even sure you really want. But oh, there's loads of taxis here. Look. Go on, let's get out of here before we break the bank. That's it. That's the market done. We've got out of there now. Stop for a quick drink and let's get back to the taxi. Just follow the boats along the edge. I'm taking. We assume. Obviously the water taxi will be along here somewhere. There's the boat. See that. If you're on a boat trip, this is the place to come. There doesn't be many boats going out because they're all parked up. So if you do what we did, you come from Çaliş on the water taxi, get off, turn left, and then just follow the boats round the water edge all the way round instead of taking a shortcut, and then you'll end up at the market. You can't miss it. Loads of bargains to be had there. They do seem to stuff in your bag though. You do spend some money. Be prepared. It's lovely here, gorgeous. Look. Our taxi's over there somewhere, I think. And we're back. So up this road here, follow it along, and the boat trip will be on the right there. To get back to the boat taxi, the water taxi will be on the right. That's it, we're back at the water taxi now. There's the thing there, look. Jump on the boat. That's it, back on the old taxi, right up the front. Back to Çaliş, and then just cab back to the hotel for lunch. Is the boat trip done? Great little day out there was. Market, boat trip, a lot. So approximately 50 Turkish lira from the hotel down to Çaliş Bridge, then jump on the water taxi. I think the water taxi worked out £1 or £2, not a lot, return, and then water taxi to Fethiye, then come out there, turn left, follow the water edge round, just follow the boats around the edge, turn left when you get off the boat, and then you'll find the market. Really, really good day out, recommended. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe for more of the same. Thank you very much. Bye bye.